Oriental, 3,000 strong. Provincial board members, provincial department heads, Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Centennial Committee members, and of course, the NHCP. It's a real joy to be here, especially as we celebrate our 37th birthday together with the governor. We insist we are all the same age, that's all. And to all of you, I feel like I am in Ilocos Norte. For indeed, this building has a twin. Our capital looks exactly the same with the 4 classical Doric columns and the name of the province on top. An early product from Burnham Designs during the American era by the Public Works. So you have a twin up there in the north. I feel right at home. At daghan salamat sa inyo, gamiton ko ning higayon alang sa salamat kaninyo sa inyong padayon nga suporta sa among pamilya, sugod sa akong amahan, ang orig na Presidente Ferdinand Edralin Marcos, ug akon manghud nga si Bongbong, ug akong BFF Vice President Sara noong 2022. Daghan kaayong salamat, dakon among utang kabubuton sa inyong mga Negrense. At ako nakigiusa sa mga taga Negros Oriental sa inyong selebrasyon sa ika-usa kagatos nga anibersaryo sa inyong Kapitolyo ang kambal ng aming Kapitolyo. Dili nato kalimtan ang kahulugan niini. For the 100th year of the Capitol, we see the reserve and preserve of our country's historical treasure to recognize the significance and meaning of nationalism, to strengthen our love of country and our dedication to our government and to our people. To all the public servants who are here, we are one indeed in this national family. Galpo kaayo ninyo nga doon na may Kapitolyo nagtindog sa sulod sa usa ka gatos ka tuig. Mas tigulang pa kanatong tanan. Built indeed in 1924, 13 years ahead of the Cebu Capitol building, it is indeed a remarkable building, one which we know will stand the test of time, symbolizing with its Grecian inspiration democracy, the rule of the people, explaining why indeed it should be white, it is pure, it should be strong, because we are indeed a strong and united nation. Buildings similar to Negros Oriental are found in the Manila Post Office, our National Museum, the provincial capitals of many, many provinces throughout our land. Pero dili lang ang edipisyo ang giselebrar karon. Ang mga tao nga nagtrabaho sulod sa maong edipisyo, ipangbuhaton sa atong gobernador, Tiago Sagarbarria. Isip usa nga kanhi na gobernador, adunakoy itambag ha atong batan-on nga gobernador. Number 1, siguruha nga mahuman ang imong termino. Pabenditahi sa tanan nga kaparian dinhi sa Negros hantod sa Siquijor. Og ipapungsoy sa atong kaigsuonan nga Chinoy. What